Data is the new oil to this century, and that's why the organization like Harvard Business School are making bold claims like data science is the best and the hottest career of this century. And if you're watching this video, then I believe you also agree with the Harvard Business School's statement and are looking to discover ways to learn the data science. If that's the case, watch this video till end to learn about the top 10 data science colleges in India that would let you master the data science discipline and provide you with the great placement support. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our Intellipaat YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from us. So before we start looking into top data science colleges in India, let's try to find out why data science is a good career. So here, the very first thing I would like to mention is the high demand in the market. So according to LinkedIn, there are almost 1,20,000 jobs available in just India. And if we talk about USA, there are more than 2,07,000 jobs available. And one more thing guys, these jobs are of data scientist. So if you consider other jobs of data science, this number could be much higher. Apart from high demand, second factor I would like to mention here is a payroll. So in India, the salary of a data scientist ranges from 7 lakh to 20 lakh per annum, whereas in USA it ranges from $92,000 to $2 lakh per annum. So don't you think these are the great number? And one more thing guys, this salary I have mentioned is of data scientist. Now let's look into the top data science colleges in India. So these are IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee, IIIT Hyderabad, NIT Warangal, IIT Jammu, VNIT Nagpur. So these are the top 10 data science colleges in India. So of course we will talk about each of them. So let's begin. So if you talk about IIT Madras, so the NIRF ranking of IIT Madras is 1. Apart from that, if you talk about the course mode, it provides both online and offline. You have the opportunity of taking online class if you are a working professional here. Apart from that, if you talk about the placement, of course the placement of IITs are great. So if you talk about the placement, the average salary of a student who graduated from the IIT Madras is 21.48 lakhs per annum. Also, if you talk about the fee structure, so it varies from 3,15,000 to 3,51,000. One more thing I would like to clear you guys here, that these fees are of the online mode. So if you consider for the offline mode, these fee may be higher. Now moving forward, on number 2 we have IIT Delhi. So if you talk about NIRF ranking, it is number 3, and apart from that the course mode is online as well as offline. Apart from that, if you talk about the placement, the average salary of a student who graduates from the IIT Delhi is 28.52 lakh per annum. Apart from that, the fee structure, it is 3 lakh. So of course this fee structure is for the online mode if you are looking to pursue, but if you are looking to go for the offline, then it may vary and it may be higher than this. Now on number 3 we have IIT Bombay. So talking about the NIRF ranking, so it ranks on 4. And apart from that, if we talk about the course mode, IIT Bombay does not provide online curriculum, but you can definitely pursue data science in offline mode from the IIT Bombay. So the average salary is 21.82 lakhs per annum for the student who graduate from the IIT Bombay. So if you talk about the fee structure, it is 1,20,000. And one more thing I would like to clear you guys, this is the fee of MS by Research in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. Apart from the tuition fee, there are also some charges that you need to pay. Now moving ahead, we have IIT Kanpur on our list. So talking about NIRF ranking, it ranks on number 5. Apart from that, if you talk about the course mode, it is online as well as offline. So here also at IIT Kanpur, you have the opportunity of the online classes. So you have the opportunity to pursue data science from the IIT Kanpur from the online mode. Apart from that, if you talk about the placement, it is really a great number. So the average salary of a student who graduate from the IIT Kanpur is 26.27 lakh per annum. So it is really a great number, no doubt. So if you talk about the fee structure, it is 1,45,000. And of course, this fee structure is for the online mode. If you consider the offline fee structure, it would be much higher than this. Now next on our list is IIT Kharagpur. So if you talk about the NIRF ranking, it is on number 7. So if you talk about the course mode, it is offline. Here at IIT Kharagpur, you don't have the option to enroll into online mode. So apart from this, if you talk about the placement, so the average salary of a student who graduate from the IIT Kharagpur is 17.96 lakh per annum. Now moving ahead, if we talk about the fee structure, it is 11 lakh 70,000. And let me tell you guys, this fee structure is for the BTech 4-year program. Now next on our list is IIT Roorkee. So if you talk about the NIRF ranking, it ranks on 8. Apart from that, the course mode is offline. Here also at IIT Roorkee, you don't have the option to pursue your data science course in online mode. Apart from that, if you talk about the placement, here the average salary of a student who graduate from the IIT Roorkee is 17 lakhs per annum. If we talk about the fee structure, it is 8 lakh. Now moving ahead, we have IIIT Hyderabad. Now let's look into the NIRF ranking. So NIRF ranking of IIIT Hyderabad is 14. Now talking about the course mode, IIIT Hyderabad provide both the mode of online as well as offline. So if you are a working professional and want to go for the data science, then of course you are good to go from IIIT Hyderabad. So this is a great opportunity for the working professionals. So the average salary of a student who graduate from the IIIT Hyderabad is 32 lakh per annum. So if we talk about the fee structure, it ranges from 2 lakh to 3 lakh. And of course, let me tell you guys, this fee structure for the online mode. Now moving ahead, we have NIT Warangal. So the NIRF ranking of NIT Warangal is 53. Now if you talk about the course mode, it is online mode. And let me clear you guys, this is the master's program in data science. If you talk about the placement, the average salary of a student who graduate from the NIT Warangal is 17.29 lakh per annum. And if you talk about the fee structure, it is 5 lakh. Now moving ahead, it is IIT Jammu. So if you talk about the NIRF ranking, it is ranking on 67. So if you talk about the course mode, it is just offline. IIT Jammu does not provide any online course directly. So if you talk about placement, it is 15.25 lakh per annum. So if you are someone who is graduating from the IIT Jammu, have the average salary of 15.25 lakh per annum. Now moving ahead, if you talk about the fee structure, it is 2,67,000. So if you are someone who is looking to pursue data science from the IIT Jammu, then the fee structure would be 2,67,000. Now moving ahead, we have the VNIT Nagpur. So if you talk about the NIRF rank, it is ranking on 82. And apart from that, if you talk about the course mode, it is also in just offline mode. So here at VNIT Nagpur also, you don't have the opportunity to pursue the courses in online mode. Apart from that, if you talk about the placement, so if you're someone who is graduating from the VNIT Nagpur, it has the average placement salary of 11 lakh per annum. And apart from that, if you talk about the fee structure, it is 5 lakh. So these are the top 10 data science colleges in India. Now moving ahead, we will look into the eligibility criteria. So here we have divided into 3 factors. One is undergraduate, and if you are someone who is graduate and looking to do masters, and one is the diploma. So if you talk about the undergraduate, the course eligibility would be 50 to 60% marks should be in 10 to 12 exam. And you must have the basic knowledge of statistics, mathematics, and programming. Apart from that, if you talk about the postgraduate, the eligibility criteria would be 50 to 70% in engineering or related field, and the basic knowledge of statistics, mathematics, and the programming. So in some cases as well, their work experience is also required. Now if you talk about the WILP, so WILP is work integrated learning program. So if you talk about this, then the eligibility criteria would be aggregate 60% marks in BE, BTech, MCA or MSc, and the minimum 1 year of experience in the related field. So that's all we got in this particular video. I hope now you guys have a clear understanding of top 10 data science college in India. So thank you for watching the video all the way to the end, and to see more updates like this, follow the Intellipaat YouTube channel.
Just a quick info guys, Intellipaat offers a data science course which will help you master Python, SQL, machine learning, AI and Power BI. Get a data science certification from IIT Empower, an innovation hub of IIT Madras. With this course, we have already helped thousands of professionals in successful career transition. You can check out their testimonials on our Achievers channel, whose link is given in the description below. Without a doubt, this course can set your careers to new height. So visit the course page link given in the description and take the first step towards the career growth with the data science course.